Welcome to this Change Lemniscate podcast. In the change topic, thinking about organizational change, we talk about understanding the types of change and why this is important for navigating effectively as a change professional. Understanding the type of change gives professionals the foundation to lead change effectively. Be aware that we have also a YouTube video with visuals. I'm AV Fieltis, and with me is Jonathan Sima. Jonathan, let's start by setting the stage. Why is it important for change professionals to understand the types of change before defining their approach?
Thanks, AV. The type of change essentially defines what you're dealing with. Before you can define your strategy, you need to understand the type of change. Are you solving well-known problems with clear solutions, addressing complex cultural shifts, or embarking on transformational change where even the principles guiding you are undefined? Knowing this helps you avoid missteps and ensures your efforts are aligned with the actual needs of the organization.
That makes sense. Let's dive deeper. In your experience, what are the different types of change professionals encounter, and how do they impact the change process?
There are three main types. First, there's first-order change, which deals with known problems and clear solutions. Think of it as solving a technical issue. It's straightforward, like cooking with a recipe. Then there's second-order change, which addresses more complex, solvable issues that require shifts in structures, culture, or behaviors. It's more nuanced, like cooking with principles, but no set recipe. Finally, there's third-order change, which is the most profound. Here, the problems and solutions are ambiguous, requiring you to create entirely new principles. Essentially, you're inventing the concept of cooking itself.
Wow, that's a powerful analogy. So once a change professional identifies the type of change, how do they determine the urgency of the situation?
Good question, AV. Urgency is about timing and prioritization. Ask yourself, what is the importance of this change now? And what are the long-term consequences of inaction? If urgency is low, you might need to create it by raising awareness about the risks of delay. On the other hand, if urgency is high, it's critical to act with clarity and purpose rather than rushing into poorly planned initiatives.
Jonathan, this has been incredibly insightful. Understanding the direction of change, its type, and urgency gives professionals the foundation to lead effectively. For those who want to dive deeper, check out our YouTube channel at YouTube at Management of Change. Stay tuned and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. Thanks for joining us today, Jonathan.
Thank you, AV. It's always a pleasure to discuss these critical topics. See you next time.